Quadratic equation part 6 practice set 2.3 part 2. The question is solve the following quadratic equations by completing the square method. So question 4 equation is 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. So first we find the value of a, b and c. So first we compare this equation to equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After that we get the value of a is 9, value of b is equal to minus 12 and value of c is equal to 2. So या क्वेश्चन मध्ये जे इक्वेशन दिले बा 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. या इक्वेशनचा आपल्याला कंपेअर करायचंय पहा ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 या इक्वेशनशी. का तर मागचे आपण जे एक्झाम्पल पाहिले त्यामध्ये a ची व्हॅल्यू काय होती +1 होती. The coefficient of a was 1, but in this equation the coefficient of this y square is 9. Here the value of a is equal to 9. या क्वेश्चन मध्ये a ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे 9 आहे. सो आपल्याला a ची व्हॅल्यू 1 करण्यासाठी आपण काय करणार आहोत आपण 9 ने या इक्वेशनला डिवाइड करणार आहोत. So to make a is equal to 1 we dividing the equation by 9. So 1 by 9 in bracket 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. Dividing by 9 means we multiply 1 by 9 to this equation. So 1 by 9 into 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0, or 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0 whole bracket square by 9. After solving we get 9y square by 9 is equal to y square. Then minus 12y by 9 is equal to 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 3. So the answer is minus 4 by 3y. Then we divide 2 by 9. 2 by 9 is plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. So equation is minus y square minus 4 by 3y plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. Then by completing the square method we add one term that is plus k or minus k. To eliminating this k we add minus k. But to complete the square we add this plus k and minus k in the equation. So here we write y square minus 4 by 3y plus k is equal to y plus a square. So हे इक्वेशन मध्ये आपण काय करणार आहोत कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वेअर मेथड मध्ये आपण आपल्याला एक कंप्लीट स्क्वेअर फाइंड करायचा आहे. त्यासाठी आपण काय करणार आहोत एक टर्म ऍड करणार आहोत k नावाची टर्म ऍड करणार आहोत आणि पुन्हा प्लस k टर्म ऍड केल्यामुळे आपण पुन्हा ते इक्वेशनची व्हॅल्यू चेंज न होण्यासाठी पुन्हा मायनस के त्यामधून म्हणजे मायनस के आपण त्यामधून सबट्रॅक्ट करणार आहोत. आधी के ऍड करणार आहोत कंप्लीट स्क्वेअर होण्यासाठी आणि त्याच्यानंतर आपण काय करणार आहोत एक के मायनस करणार आहोत. सो या ठिकाणी आपण इक्वेशन राईट केले पहा y स्क्वेअर minus 4 by 3y plus k is equal to y plus a bracket square. Then we solve this equation. Y plus a bracket square is equal to y square plus 2ay plus a square. Here we apply the formula a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So we write y square minus 4 by 3y plus k is equal to y square plus 2ay plus a square. Then we compare both the equation. So after comparing, we get minus 4 by 3 is equal to 2a. So here y square and y square both are same. So it become cancel. Then minus 4 by 3y and here 2ay. So minus 4 by 3 is equal to 2a. And k is equal to a square. Here b is minus 4 by 3 and here b is 2a. And here c is equal to k and c is equal to a square. So we write minus 4 by 3 is equal to 2a and k is equal to a square. Then we write 2a is equal to minus 4 by 3. So a is equal to minus 2 by 3. After dividing by 2, here a is equal to minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. And we get a is equal to minus 2 by 3. Then k is equal to a square. Here a is equal to minus 2 by 3. So the square of a is equal to minus 2 by 3 square is equal to minus 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. Okay, so we write k is equal to 4 by 3. Here we get a is equal to minus 2 by 3 and k is equal to 4 by 9. Then the equation is y square minus 4 by 3y plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. Then in this method, we add one term that is k and then we subtract that term. So here we add plus k and minus k in this equation. आपल्याला a आणि b ची व्हॅल्यू मिळालेली आहे. सो त्यानंतर आपण काय करणार आहोत, एक टर्म ऍड करणार आहोत. k ला आपण ऍड करणार आहोत आणि मायनस पुन्हा मायनस करणार आहोत. सो हियर आपण या इक्वेशन मध्ये प्लस के आणि मायनस के पुट केलेला आहे. त्यानंतर आपण के ची व्हॅल्यू या इक्वेशन मध्ये पुट करूया. सो वी पुट k इज इक्वल टू 4 by 9. So then the equation become y square minus 4 by 3y plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 plus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. Then we solve this equation here. After observing y square minus 4 by 3y plus 4 by 9 is the square of y minus 2 by 3. Here a is y and b is 2 by 3. So a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2b plus b square. So the value of this y minus 2 by 3 bracket square is y square minus 4 by 3y plus 4 by 9. So this is the square of y minus 2 by 3. So we write y minus 2 by 3 square minus, here we take minus sign outside the bracket and in bracket we write 4 by 9 minus 2 by 9 is equal to 0. So y minus 2 by 3 square minus, after solving 4 by 9 minus 2 by 9 is 2 by 9. So we write 2 by 9 here. 4 minus 2 is plus 2 and 2 by 9 minus 2 by 9. So after solving this equation, y minus 2 by 3 bracket square is equal to this minus 2 by 9 become plus 2 by 9. So y minus 2 by 3 bracket square is equal to 2 by 9. Then we take square root of both the side. So here we write, we take the square root of both sides. Then we get y is equal to 2 by 3 is equal to plus minus square root of 2 by 9. Then square root of 2 by 9 is plus minus root 2 by 3. The square root of 9 is 3 and root of 2 is root 2. So we write y is equal to this plus 2 by 3 become minus 2 by 3 become plus 2 by 3 this side. So we write y is equal to 2 by 3 plus minus root 2 by 3. So we write y is equal to 2 plus minus root 3 by 3. Then y is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 3 or y is equal to 2 minus root 3 by 3. So the roots of these given equations are 2 plus root 3 by 3 and 2 minus root 3 by 3. Next question. The equation is 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. So first we observe this equation to x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the value of a is 2, but a is equal to 2. So to make a is equal to 1, we divide the equation by 2. We require a is equal to 1. That's why we divide the equation by 2. So here we divide this equation by 2. 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0, dividing by 2. Then 2y square by 2, y square, 9 by 2 is 2 by 9y and 9 by 2 is 5. So we write y square plus 9 by 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Next, we add plus k in this equation, means we add new term, new addition term to complete the square of the equation. In this method, we add one term, that is plus k, and then we subtract that term from the equation. For completing the square, we add plus k and then we minus that term to complete the square. So here we write y square plus 9 by 2y plus k is equal to y plus a bracket square. Here a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we expand this equation. So it becomes y square plus 2ay plus a square. Then we compare this equation. Y square cancel. Then 9 by 2 is equal to 2a and k is equal to a square. So we write 9 by 2 is equal to 2a and k is equal to a square. So 9 by 2 is equal to 2a and k is equal to a square. 2a is equal to 9 by 2. And when we divide by 2 to this equation, we get a is equal to 9 by 4. And then we put this a is equal to 9 by 2 here. K is equal to a square. So k is equal to a square is equal to 9 by 4 bracket square. 9 by 4 square. 9 square is 81 and square of 4 is 16. So here the value of k is 81 by 16. A is equal to 9 by 4. Then the equation is y square plus 9 by 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Then we add plus k and then subtract the minus k from this equation for completing the square. So here we add plus k and minus k. Then we put k is equal to 81 by 16. So equation become y square plus 9 by 2y plus 81 by 16 minus 81 by 16 plus 5 is equal to 0. Then we observe y square plus 9 by 2y plus 81 by 16 is a square of y plus 9 by 4. This is the square of y plus 9 by 4. So we write this in the first bracket and then minus 81 by 16 plus 5 is equal to 0. So here we write y plus 9 by 4 square minus in second bracket. Here we take minus sign outside the bracket and in bracket 81 by 16 minus 5. This plus 5 become minus 5 due to the this minus sign is equal to 0. So y plus 9 by 4 whole bracket square is equal to 81 by 16 minus 5. This minus become plus to this side. So here 81 by 16 minus 5. So 16 into 5, 80. So 81 minus 80 by 16. So y plus 9 by 4 bracket square is equal to 1 by 16. Then we take square root of the both side. After taking the square root, we get y plus 9 by 4 is equal to plus minus root of 1 by 16. Y plus 9 by 4 is equal to the root of 1 by 16 is plus minus root of 1 is 1 and root of 16 is 4. So we write y is equal to minus 9 by 4 plus minus 1 by 4. Then y is equal to minus 9 minus 1 by 4 or y is equal to minus 9 plus 1 by 4. After solving minus 9 minus 1 is equal to minus 10. So we write y is equal to minus 10 by 4 or y is equal to minus 9 plus 1 minus 9 plus 1 is 8. So minus 8 by 4. Then y is equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to minus 8 by 4 is minus 2. So the roots of the equation are minus 5 by 2 and minus 2. Next equation 5x square is equal to 4x plus 7. So first we write this equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c. इक्वेशनला आपण ax square plus bx plus c या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहून घेतलंय आपण. So equation become 5x square minus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. So here the value of a is equal to 5. So to make a is equal to 1, we divide by 5 to this equation. So 5x square minus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. Divide by 5. It becomes 5x square by 5 x square and minus 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5x minus 7 by 5 means minus 7 by 5. So we write x square minus 4 by 5x minus 7 by 5 is equal to 0. Then we write x square minus 4 by 5x plus k is equal to x plus a bracket square. Then we solve this bracket. X plus a bracket square is equal to x square plus 2ax plus a square. Then we compare both these two equations. We get minus 4 by 5 is equal to 2a and k is equal to a square. Then minus 4 by 5 is equal to 2a and k is equal to a square. So 2a is equal to minus 4 by 5. After solving, we get a is equal to minus 4 by 5 and k is equal to a square means k is equal to minus 2 by 5 bracket square. Square of minus 2 is 4 and square of 5 is 25. So the value of a is minus 2 by 5 and k is equal to minus 4 by 25. The equation is x square minus 4 by 5x minus 7 by 5 is equal to 0. So in this equation we add plus k and then subtract that k. Means plus k and minus k we add in this equation. So equation become x square minus 4 by 5x plus k minus k minus 7 by 5 is equal to 0. Then we put the value of value of k is equal to 4 by 25 in this equation. After putting k is equal to 4 by 25, we get x is equal to minus 4 by 5y plus 4 by 25 minus 4 by 25 minus 7 by 5 is equal to 0. Then here we observe x square minus 4 by 5y plus 4 by 25 is a square of x minus 2 by 5. The square of x minus 2 by 5 is x square minus 4 by 5y plus 4 by 25. So we write here in first bracket x minus 2 by 5 bracket square minus here we take minus minus as a common and in bracket we write 4 by 25 and this minus become plus 7 by 5 is equal to 0. Then we add 4 by 25 plus 7 by 5. So here 7 into 5 35 and 35 plus 4 is 39. So here we write 39 by 25. Then x minus 2 by 5 square minus 39 by 25 is equal to 0. Then this minus 39 by 25 become plus 39 by 25 to this side. So we write like this and then we take square root of both the sides. After taking square root we get x minus 2 by 5 is equal to plus minus square root of 39 by 25. So here 39 we write root of 39 and the root of 25 is 5. So x minus 2 by 5 is equal to plus minus root of 39 by 5. Then x is equal to 2 by 5 plus minus root 39 by 5. So x is equal to 2 plus minus 39 by 5. So the value of x is 2 plus root 39 by 5 or x is equal to 2 minus 39 by 5. So the roots of the equation are 2 plus root 39 by 5 and 2 minus root 39 by 5. Thank you.